Okay, so here we go. This is the prize. Let's tear into it. Oh, I can't tell you what it is yet. All I can say is a large blue. Just so you're aware, people are coming to pick up their milk, so if you see anything in the camera, I don't know. Well, very nicely packaged. Okay. Here is the impulse sealer on top, PFS 300. Tape everywhere. Okay. Wow. Here's our intelligent vacuum pump. Oh, just about dropped it. Pretty heavy. Have you figured out what it is yet? Giving you enough clues. Here's a bunch of. Let's see what this is here. I'll tell you all what this is since I can't really see. Okay. Let's see what we have. Looks like we got some do not eat. Incisors. Okay. Dear customer, thank you for your support of a small business, a small American business. We've tossed in a bag of Skittles for your first batch of candy. Feel free to leave us a review on Google by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to spread the word on social media. Happy freeze drying. There we go, Blue Alpine. Oh, there's some power. Oh yeah. Yep, that's going to take some power. All right, let's open up the other part of the box. I think you probably should already have a clue by now. But just in case, we'll go ahead and open up the big box. Wow. Show you all. Look how well packaged this is. Nice thick piece of foam. Padding. Wrapped. I am impressed. This is well packaged. Okay. Let's see what we got on the other side. Again, can't believe this. Look at this. Screws and washers for the box. Stable padding in the corners. Let's go ahead and reveal what's in this. Wow. There it is. The Blue Alpine large freeze dryer. Y'all, I'm excited. And it's not just because of having Skittles, you know, or any other freeze-dried candy here on the farm. It's because now on Saturdays after the market, we now have the ability where we can take the leftover produce, take the leftover items, raw milk, things like that, and freeze dry it. Make it shelf stable and extend the value of that product to continuously offer farm freaking fresh goods. So this is awesome. Huge investment for us. We're excited to get on the journey and the path and just keep extending the products and offering to you as a service. So more to come on this. We'll have additional videos, the entire process. I'll have multiple videos linked up for that because I really want you all to see, you know, the things that we do and just learn the lessons that we learn. So that's how we'll have a better freeze drying community and fresher food. So, all right, I'm excited. Thank you for watching, and I'll get this unwrapped. I still got to take and run power. As you saw in that first box, you know, it takes a dedicated 20 amp circuit, so got to run power. I've got a stainless steel table that I've got set up, to get set up. So I'm going to put that down in its temporary location until we get things situated here on the farm to better suit us. So, but yeah, all right, let's get it. Freeze drying community, Blue Alpine. It's a large, and here we go. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.